Here you can see our sample demo data. This go-kart chassis is built from bent profiles. The profiles have different diameters. Let's briefly review the data. I organized these profiles inside a separate body. This makes manufacturing outputs easier to prepare. I can generate unbent profile results. Now let's start the design workflow. First, you can see the holes on this profile. The cutting areas are also clearly defined. Let's work on this part. Now, how do we call the PowerCopy that we standardized? For this, inside 3D Experience CATIA, one practical method I use. This area can be customized. From here, we select the representation that contains the PowerCopy that we prepared earlier. The PowerCopy menu appears. We select which part it will be applied to, and after which feature it will be inserted. We can also assign specific names to the outputs. Here, I use the repeat option because I will reuse it on other profiles. There is a viewer here. It clearly shows which references I need to select. The workflow is quite simple. Let's start with this. You bend profile data. I select an edge on the profile. Then I select a face. When I click OK, the methodology we built earlier is executed. The semi-finished data, that is the unbent profile, is created. The holes on the profile and the connection regions to the other profile are generated together with the cutting angles. All of this is created automatically and very quickly. Then I move to the next profile. As you can see, I can reuse the same design logic again and again. Let's continue. This section has also been created. Here we have a symmetrical part. I will create one of the opposite components. When designing the PowerCopy, I define it to find the exact middle of the part, and from there, to place the result symmetrically. Therefore, the result is created automatically in this way. Finally, I ask CATIA to create this part. I confirm the operation. CATIA defines it together with the cut end and completes it. Now let's inspect the generated data. Here, next to each bent profile, we can see an unbent output with intermediate operations included. The cut end, holes, and trimming operations have been automatically reflected in the manufacturing data. For the manufacturing output, a drawing or CATIA data can now be prepared much faster by the designer. In this way, we accelerated the process, reduced the risk of error, and automated the method.